Warning: if you're shopping used or think a cheap car is a smart deal, this video is for you. Today, we expose 5 worst car buys that look harmless, but will bleed your bank account. Don't let that shiny bargain sink your savings. Watch till the end for a shocking bonus trap that even savvy buyers fall for. Welcome back to All About Mechanism. Car number 1. Nissan Altima, 2013 to 2016 models. The Trap. Sleek midsize look hides a CVT ticking time bomb. Why it hurts. These Altimas often suffer complete transmission failure around 60 to 80,000 miles, with replacements running $3,500 to $6,900 or even $7,000 plus from dealers. Smart tip: skip it unless you can handle a possible $6,000 bill, or check if you're covered by a CVT settlement, extending benefits to mid-2000s teens models. Car number 2. Jeep Renegade, 2015 to 2018 models. The Trap. Small SUV that looks rugged, yet hides transmission jerks, stalling, and electrical gremlins. Why it hurts. Owners report constant check engine lights, jerky gear shifts, or unexpected stalls under 30,000 miles. Rebuilds or replacements can hit $5,000 to $10,000, with dealer jobs topping nearly $10,000. Smart tip: want dependability? Choose a smoother, proven SUV, or budget several thousand for hidden repairs. Car number 3. Fiat 500, all models. The Trap. Cute city car, but packs dual-logic transmission failures and electrical drama. Why it hurts. Drivers report gear slipping, random neutral shifts, and total gearbox breakdown, often costing $1,000 to $2,000 with parts tough to source. Smart tip: love the look? Be ready for repeated visits to the shop, or choose a pedal-powered city ride instead. Car number 4. Dodge Journey, 2009 to 2020 models. The Trap. Cheap 3-row SUV, but this cheapness hides fragile transmission and premature breakdowns. Why it hurts. Known for pump failures, delayed shifting, and complete shutdowns. Some stop working under 33,000 miles. Repairs average $3,000 to $5,000, sometimes more. Smart tip: need space without drama? Consider reliable crossover alternatives. Car number 5. Kia Soul, 2012 to 2016 models. The Trap. Eye-catching box car, but some years come with built-in repair nightmares. Why it hurts. Known for engine knocking, sudden stalls, and catastrophic damage around 80,000 miles. Costs run $4,600 to $7,000 plus, and later models 2021 to 2023 have recall issues over bad piston rings. Bonus trap: Chevy Cruze, 2011 to 2015. The Trap. Compact car with hidden turbo coolant leaks and ignition coil failures. Many end up scrapped after $4,000 to $6,000 in engine repairs. These 7 cars look like bargains, but each hides at least $3,000 to $7,000 in surprise repairs. If you care about saving money and your sanity, avoid these traps or be armed for future fixes. Like and subscribe if this saved you from a money pit.